What are the easiest work from home jobs for beginners to make money online? Let's start with the first one, which is being a social media manager. This is a potentially good fit if you're a pro at crafting tweets, a maestro on Instagram, or a web wizard. This role, available on websites like peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com, and upwork.com, allows you to work remotely, handling tasks like content creation and scheduling, comment responses, and data analysis to enhance social media performance. What's interesting though is that this career often prefers the younger generation due to their familiarity with social media, giving them an edge in the hiring process. Social media managers can earn an average of $61,000 per year. While peopleperhour.com, Fiverr, and Upwork primarily operate as freelancing platforms, there are more than enough opportunities to secure full-time positions as a social media marketer today. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, you have the freedom to establish and negotiate your rates, you can work from any location with an internet connection, and being young can play in your favor. However, on the flip side, you may encounter high competition and some clients might have expectations that are a bit ambitious. It's also worth noting that these platforms take a percentage of your commission. Social media management is one of the best work from home jobs you can get yourself into because you do not need a college degree or any prior experience to get started. So, we give it a score of 8 out of 10. Now let's explore another side hustle, which is becoming a mystery shopper for About Face. Imagine getting paid to shop all day. Yep, you heard that right. About Face is a company that hires individuals to act as online mystery shoppers for various companies. Your task involves testing products, collecting information, and providing feedback on your experiences, all while maintaining anonymity. This job is straightforward and doesn't require spending your money. You just shop and share your feedback. Crazy, right? As a full-time mystery shopper, the expected average annual income is $67,000 per year according to Glassdoor.com, but many people prefer doing it as a part-time job. The advantages include flexibility to choose how much and when you want to work. Numerous websites offer such opportunities, with About Face being just one example. Variety is another benefit, exposing you to a diverse range of products and providing valuable industry experience. Additionally, you often get to keep the products purchased using the company's funds, leading to access to free stuff. However, there are some disadvantages, such as relatively low pay and the need to be cautious about potential scams when selecting a mystery shopping company. We give it a score of 7 out of 10. The next job is ideal if you have a calming or attractive voice, which is becoming a voiceover artist on websites like voices.com, fiverr.com, and upwork.com. Your job is to lend your voice to various content types such as YouTube videos, TV and radio commercials, documentaries, films, and even video games. And the best part is that you don't necessarily need a professional setup to do your voiceover. The reason behind this is that many content creators, especially YouTubers, prefer a more natural setup as it adds authenticity. Even some of the most popular faceless YouTube channels don't always have perfect audio quality. As a voiceover artist, your potential earnings can be on an average between $200 and $300 per hour. However, especially at the beginning, it's more common to earn between $50 to $100 per hour. While investing in a decent microphone like the Blue Yeti at $99 is an option, there is remarkable AI voice cleaning software available, such as Adobe's, that can seriously elevate the audio quality. What's crazy is the fact that this software can make even common earbuds sound professional, proving that a top setup is not a necessity to begin your journey in this field. The good things about being a voiceover artist are that there are many job opportunities available, offering a wide range of options, and you can enjoy the freedom to work from any location globally and live with a flexible schedule. However, there are some challenges you should be aware of, like potential competition, particularly for newcomers. Some projects may require a serious and costly upgrade of equipment, and some platforms take a commission from your earnings. But overall, we give it a score of 8.5 out of 10. The following job is close to mystery shopping, but you'll be testing products as a product tester for usertesting.com instead of shopping. While various websites are offering similar services, like userlytics.com and optimalworkshop.com, we will be using usertesting.com as an example. As a product tester, your role involves assessing online products before they are officially launched to the public. Think of it as being a film critic for yet unreleased movies, but you're trying out products before they become available in the market. For usertesting.com, you can earn around $10 for a 20-minute test, which is relatively good, and depending on the nature of the test, you can earn as much as $60. Many people prefer to view this as a part-time job to make some extra money. Now, the advantages are: you enjoy the perk of accessing products before their official release to the public, you have flexibility, allowing you to engage as much or as little as you want, and there's a chance you might receive the tested products for free. However, on the downside, product testing tends not to offer a decent paycheck, and the products you evaluate and the testing procedure might not always intrigue you. We give it a score of 7 out of 10. For the next job on the list, we want you to imagine earning money by playing unreleased video games. Well, that might sound too good to be true, but that's precisely what you do by working as a video game tester for companies like playtestcloud.com. Several companies offer similar opportunities, with playtestcloud.com specializing in mobile application games. As a tester, your task is to play games before their official release, ensuring that they are free of bugs and glitches, while also evaluating their overall quality and how fun they actually are. Playtestcloud.com has great online reviews, offering about $5 to $9 for a 15-minute testing session according to their website. However, it's important to know that this isn't a job that will provide a full-time income. It's unlikely that you'll receive enough playtesting opportunities each month to generate a decent income. Nevertheless, some people register on multiple companies, making it possible to earn a reasonable amount of money. The advantages include the chance to test video games before their official release, contributing to game improvement, and gaining valuable experience for potential future roles in the gaming industry. On the flip side, you might find yourself repeatedly playing the same game sections, face tight deadlines, and only sometimes have the opportunity to play games of your liking. We give it a score of 7 out of 10. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting value. Now, the following work-from-home job is ideal if you possess a good eye for stylish website design, which is working as a website tester for Trymata.com. Trymata specializes in assisting companies in optimizing their websites. Your role is to assess the usability, functionality, and overall user experience of various websites. Your tasks will also involve identifying and reporting any bugs or issues you find on the website. You should also be aware that people form an opinion about the website within the first 50 milliseconds of viewing it, according to some studies, which is something that highlights the importance of website testing. For each test, you can earn around $10+, which can be very good. The advantages of being a website tester include flexibility to choose your work hours and receiving weekly payouts. Of course, there are some disadvantages such as a potential scarcity of tests, which makes it challenging to achieve a full-time income, but that's not always the case, and the work may be somewhat monotonous. We will give it a score of 7.5 out of 10. Now, moving on to one of the most popular methods for earning extra income online, which is microtasking. You can get into microtasking with companies like clickworker.com and Amazon's mturk.com. Microtasking is about breaking down sizable tasks into smaller components, and companies often prefer this method when they have such tasks but don't want to hire a full-time employee. These tasks could range from simple spreadsheet updates to weekly data entry or brief editing assignments. As per Glassdoor, individuals working as click workers on clickworker.com can earn an average of $46,000 per year. Now, the advantages of microtasking are: you can choose your work hours, which is pretty convenient. Many of these tasks are short, ranging from 5 to 15 minutes, making it possible to complete them even during a lunch break. No formal education is required. You have a diverse array of tasks to choose from. This flexibility allows you to explore different types of tasks, which can really help with your career decision making. Additionally, you can gain experience across various industries. On the downside, the first payment is likely to be low, and identifying tasks that pay well may take some time. Work availability can also change with the seasons, and the field can be competitive due to the low entry barrier. We give it a score of 8.5 out of 10. Finally, let's explore an easily accessible online job, which is transcription. Numerous companies offer transcription services, and one example is TranscribeMe. What you have to do is listen to audio or video recordings and transcribe them into written documents. You need to have good listening skills, high attention to detail, and proficient typing speed and accuracy. The average annual income for full-time transcription work is around $45,000 per year. The pros of transcription are highly flexible job that you can perform at your convenience, either from your home or remotely, and it offers a diverse range of tasks. While the job may become monotonous and competitive, it serves as an underrated entry point for those seeking their first remote work-from-home job, despite potential challenges like finger strain from extended typing periods. So we give it a score of 8 out of 10. Now check out this video about the laziest way to make money online. You will learn everything you need to know about this method and how it can pay you over and over again by doing the work only once. As always, make your time valuable, make your own money moves.